This is my lunch break food review. If you haven't tried this, you need to. If you love waffles, you'll definitely love these brioche style waffles from Trader Joe's. They come individually wrapped. They're so good. Not too sweet. They're made with pearl sugar. So you do have like chunks of sugar in there, but these are good with berries. Perfect for breakfast as well. And they're good with coffee as well because they're not too sweet. Definitely recommend trying this out.